me coming out, and I just have to live, and I wanna give. I'm completely positive. I think this time around I am gonna do it like you never knew it. Oh, I'll make it through. The time has come for me to break out of the shell. I have to shout that I am coming out. I'm coming out. I want the world to know. I got to let it show. I'm coming. I'm coming out. Coming. I want the world to know. Got to let it show. I've got to show the world all that I wanna be and all my abilities. There's so much more to me. Somehow I'll have to make them just understand. I got it well in hand, and oh how I've planned. I'm spreading love. There is no need to fear, and I just feel so good every time I hear.
Where's the shark? Oh, where's the shark? Oh, the shark's right there. The shark's live. Oh, they're coming alive again. Coming alive again. They're alive.
How do you guys want to do this?